Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share with you the hidden cost home renovation shows seldom discuss, as well as one secret that you can use to maximize your profits. Typically, they show you how much they purchased the house for, their total renovation budget, how much the house sold for, and their estimated profit. But there are hidden costs that go into every flip that are not usually disclosed. And I want you to have all of the information so that you do not run into unexpected costs. And make sure that you stay into the end for a bonus trick to maximize your profits on your next flip. All right, let's jump in.
My name is Tresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Okay, there are a few costs that you have to pay as you're renovating or rehabbing a home, even if no one is living in it. Let's talk about the real numbers that need to be expected. These numbers are taken into account in the golden formula. That's what makes the golden formula so golden. But I want you to understand. Well, you will have to turn all of the utilities on as soon as possible so that construction can begin. So water, electric, gas. And then there is yard maintenance, pool maintenance if there's a pool, HOA fees if there is an HOA, and make sure the property is insured. God forbid a fire or burglary. After flipping a property, you, as the seller, are typically responsible for the closing costs. Now, the closing costs are typically 2% of the purchase price, which are paid by the seller. Now, remember, you are the seller this time. Then there are realtor fees that are about 6%. 3% goes to the buyer's agent, 3% goes to the seller's agent at closing. So with the 2% closing and the 6% realtor fees, that is a total of 8% that is coming straight off the sale of your property. So a good example is if you end up selling a property for $200,000, you're going to take off that 8%. So 8% of $200,000 would be $16,000, leaving you a profit of $184,000. Okay, here's that bonus I wanted to mention. If you had decided to add square footage onto the property, you're going to have the cost for that. However, you should make up that cost because adding square footage will increase the ARV. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what you would like to see in the next one. Coming up soon, we will be sharing all the benefits to adding square footage onto your renovation property. If you are considering learning how to invest in real estate but don't know where to start, we have training that walks you through how to invest in real estate from start to finish. So join me in my upcoming 7-day real estate investing masterclass linked down below. And as always, I am Tresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.